If you are looking for a trading broker, you're in the right place. Today we're having a look at AvaTrade and Interactive Brokers. We want to know which one is actually better. Okay, we're having a look at AvaTrade now, which is a mature multi-regulated broker trusted by more than 400,000 retail traders across 5 continents, built for every type of trader. Now, if that's not enough, let's get into a little bit more detail. It's got global regulation and trust. It's regulated by many associations around the globe, providing institutional grade confidence and security. You also have access to more than 1,000 instruments. So this will include Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, indices, bonds, ETFs, and vanilla options, covering every major market as well as every major strategy. It offers very competitive pricing, so they have very low spreads, fast executions, and zero commission on Forex and cryptocurrency trades. Their advanced platforms include MetaTrader 4 and 5, WebTrader, Ava Options, and the award-winning AvaTrade app itself, which is completely native. It's got full mobile support included as well. Having a look at some of their features for more advanced trading and risk management. So they have full EA support on MT5 and MT4, MetaTrader 4 and 5, plus copy trading via the Ava Social and Zulu Trade, which allows you to mirror top traders effortlessly. A proprietary tool that shields trades from losses on the AvaTrade app and WebTrader, paired with negative balance protection and segregated client accounts. You get free courses for beginners and advanced traders, platform tutorials, and live market analysis. 24/7 multilingual support via your phone, email, or even just a quick chat. And it's given access since 2006, so now almost 2 decades of client-first innovation. With a minimum deposit of $100 to start with your trading account, it welcomes new and seasoned traders alike. Alright, so we are jumping into Interactive Brokers. I think everybody has seen Interactive Brokers around. You can actually access professional grade trading tools like advanced charting, algo trading, and even robust research tools. You can trade in over 150 markets across the globe, including stocks, bonds, options, and even Forex. You get offered tiered pricing for larger trades, obviously making it more cost effective for everybody. Interactive Brokers actually also provides low interest margin loans, allowing you to borrow for leveraged trades. They also offer in-depth webinars, courses, tutorials, and a whole bunch more for all traders of all skill levels. It's tailored for the trading workstation, the TWS, to suit your trading style and your preferences. So let's have a look at one or two of their drawbacks. Beginners may find it a little bit overwhelming. The interface, I think, is more aimed towards like the more advanced trader. And then also having a look at the fees for smaller investors. It is cost effective, but for more high volume traders, so your casual investors, if you are in that category, you might find that the fees are a little bit less competitive. Choosing a broker, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, is like choosing a trading partner that you're going to be working with for a very long time. So make sure that you go out there, do the research, and choose the right one. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.